Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off video flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera app, okay, below you can see the option. You'll have to do select the video. Here in video, on the top, you can see the flash icon. And the flash icon is set into off. Okay, to change this or to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the flash icon and select the icon on the right to turn on the flash on your video. And also, you can select the video flash into auto. But I decide to change into on the video flash. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the video flash on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is tap the icon on the top again and select the icon on the left to turn off the flash of the video. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off video flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.